Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a new little flip through book that I have just completed that I wanted to share with you. I made this from a paper pad and all the matching elements that went with this paper pad. So I used all the same paper pad and accessories to create this. And this particular pad came with these chipboard letters. So I just punched out Faith, and this is a little chipboard embellishment here, and I put some sari silk behind it. So let's take a look at it. It measures 6 by 6 like this, 6 by 12, of course, like this. I've stitched, I made one long page like this, 6 by 12, and I stitched down the middle to create my 2 pages. And each page has a pocket. And let's see, in this pocket, you've just got this journaling card, and each card opens like that for lots and lots of journaling spaces. And I just put these little round tabs here just to make a little pull tab. And then on this page, this is one of the cutouts from the paper pad, and this also came with the paper pad. So I just made a little tuck spot there. We have another little journaling spot here, this beautiful paper, and that goes down in there, and I gave it a little pull tab also just so you can get that out. On this page I put one of the little punch outs down here. Now the Love Mercy didn't come with it, so I did add that. It came with these little cards. I stuck a card here. As you can see, I did the tab binding, which I have a tutorial on if you want to see how I did that binding. On this side, I made a little flip out, and the flip out has a pocket with this cute little tag in it, and I just used washi tape to hold the little flip out. Then that goes this way. This page also has a pocket, another little booklet in it, just like the others. And I put a fabric flip here. So I've got some layers. I've got this black lace, and I just kind of layered some different things on it. My tricycle. I lift that up, and how precious is that? Is that the cutest card? I love it. Now I put this little guy down here, which is chipboard. I only glued the bottom so that it becomes a little tuck spot. So that's kind of hiding back there. Okay, so here's another piece. It's holding this beautiful little tag behind it. And then on this side, we've got another journaling booklet with a little pull tab. Okay, this side, this is one of the punch outs. I just glued 2 sides so it becomes a tuck spot. And then I took some of the other cards and I made an exploding card. Let me show you how this works. So you open it like this, and it explodes like this, and it also goes up like that, and it all folds up like this. I'm going to do a tutorial on this very soon, so you'll know how to make those. Okay, this is just a little element that came with the thing, a little chipboard piece I put there. On this page here, of course, is another. I told you there's a pocket on every page with plenty of journaling spaces. Now on this one, I just thought that was so pretty, these little tulips. But I made a little swing tab. So the swing tab is holding this notebook. Behind the notebook, I've got one of the journaling cards that came with it. So you just swing the tab around, and then it opens, and it opens. In this side, I have a little tag, actually kind of 2 little tags together stuck down in there, and when you push this one down, it has a tag hidden right in there, a pretty little tag. So stick that back in there, close that, and then put your swing tab. How beautiful is that little teapot too? Isn't that precious? Okay, on this side, I just made a corner tuck, and behind that corner tuck, I've got this card. I've got this little card, and it's got a little faux postage stamp behind it. So that goes right there. And another journaling card booklet thingamajiggy. Okay, on this side, these letters did not come with this paper pad. So I added that and I added that, and I just made it into a little tuck spot to hold that card. Now here we've got a waterfall, and I've got the waterfall connected by magnets. So I have a little magnet right there at the top. So you flip this down, and then you can see all your beautiful waterfall pages. Some of the most beautiful paper in this paper pad. I love it. So that goes down. This goes click. And of course, another journaling card in here. And see that paper clip? That paper clip is on this side, so you can see the journaling card now a little bit better. But the paper clip is on the top of the page because I wanted it to hold on to this little booklet, and I just couldn't cover this page. It was so pretty. I loved, well, one of my favorite colors is green. Okay, now look, there we go. I love this. I thought that was so beautiful. I just couldn't put a pocket or nothing over that. So I decided to clip something onto it. So what I did is I made this little, come here. I made this little booklet. I just put washi tape at the top with about a 1/16 of an inch in between so it would fold up and down real good. And then I made this little altered paper clip with the faux postage stamps that came with the paper pad, and then I added one of my little beads. So what I do is I just clip it on right there. Okay, and I'm kind of going over to the side so that it's not on top of that element there. So I clip that on there. Okay, on this page I did a belly band, and behind the belly band is this little booklet that has 2 corner pockets and 2 little tags in it. And I just put some of my little frou-frou fibers, added some numbers there, and then of course the last page also has the beautiful little pullouts with a little tab, and then there's the back side. So that is the whole thing, guys. And the tab binding, I wasn't real happy with the way, I usually love the way it looks on the spine. I wasn't real happy with the way it was coming out this time. So I ended up covering it with the same sari silk that I used to make the tabs. But as you can see, there's 2, and then the next page will have 3, and then 2, and then this one had 3. So if you don't know how to do the tab binding, I will leave a link below to that tutorial so you'll know how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.